Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. In this session, we will explain how to set recipes on the batching scale controllers GMC-P7FB and GM9907LB. The GMC-P7FB is an industrial batching controller that supports 12 types of materials batching and 20 recipe storage. It comes with a 7-inch touchscreen, dynamic process visualization, and an intuitive interface. With standard Ethernet port, dual serial ports, USB interface, 12 inputs, and 16 outputs. It fully meets the requirements of efficient batching in industrial applications. GMC-P7FB and GM9907LB share the same software program, so the recipe setting procedure is identical. First, identify the recipe to be used in the application, including the type number of materials and their ratios. For example, a simulated NPK compound fertilizer batching process. There are 3 materials with a mixing ratio of 1 to 2 to 1. Then set the silo recipe. On the main interface, click Recipe dot. Set the total number of materials to 3. Name the recipe NPK. Next, set parameter for each material. For example, silo 1. Click to configure. Target weight 10 kilograms. Fast feed 2.2 kilograms. Drop value 0.01 kilograms. Confirm and close. Silo 2. Click to configure. Target weight 20 kilograms. Fast feed 4.2 kilograms. Drop value 0.06 kilograms. Confirm and close. Silo 3. Click to configure. Target weight 10 kilograms. Fast feed 2.2 kilograms. Drop value 0.01 kilograms. If materials mixing is required after batching, enable mixing mode by logging in with administrator rights. Select Stir After Fill and set stir time to 5 seconds. Finally, let's run this recipe as demonstration. Return to the main interface, click 0 and start the operation. Materials 1, 2, and 3 will be batched sequentially. After batching, the mixer will operate for 5 seconds. Then, the system discharges the batch, completing 1 cycle of compound fertilizer batching. This concludes the demonstration of recipe parameter setting for general measure batching scale controllers, GMC-P7FB and GM9907LB. If you would like to learn more about other functions, please contact General Measure.